Hi, welcome to the channel OK. Materi kita kali ini adalah introducing others atau memperkenalkan orang lain. Materi ini adalah lanjutan dari materi sebelumnya yang berjudul introducing. Bagi kalian yang tertinggal dengan penjelasan introducing, silakan cek di box description ya. Next, introducing him or herself. When you introduce someone, focus on these two things. They are, tell who is he or who is he, and what others need to know. First is who he or who she is. On this part, you are going to introduce your friend or someone by saying his or her name, age, school, class, field of study, program of study, competency of study, and ambition. Pada bagian siapakah dia, kalian akan memperkenalkan teman kalian atau mungkin seseorang dengan menyebutkan namanya, umur, sekolah di mana, kelas berapa, bidang kalian apa, program kalian apa, kompetensi kalian apa, dan cita-cita. Dan tentunya ini untuk sekolah kejuruan. Jika bukan sekolah kejuruan atau untuk SMA, cukup menggunakan jurusannya saja, misalnya Natural Sciences Major atau jurusan IPA, Social Sciences Major atau jurusan IPS, dan Language Studies Major untuk jurusan bahasa. Now we come to the example. Hello, her name is Penina Jacob. She is 16 years old. She studies at Vocational High School 3 Technology and Engineering Jayapura. She is the first grade. Her field of study is technology and engineering. Her program of study is electricity. Her competency of study is electrical grid engineering. Her ambition of life is a mechanical engineer. Next, what he or what she does. On this part, you are going to tell your daily routine. Contohnya, siswa jurusan listrik. Example, every Tuesday she studies theory of electricity and every Thursday she practices at the workshop with her friends. She learns tools and function. She learns how to check and fix cable. She learns how to install electricity in simple house and many more. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, she and her friends learn other subjects like math, English, Bahasa Indonesia, and some other subjects. She studies from 7:30 in the morning to 16:10 in the afternoon or until 4:10 in the afternoon. But every Friday, she finishes to study until 15 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Next is people need to know. What people need to know when you introduce someone to other people? Well, they are hobby and family. Example, her hobby is watching. She has one sister and one brother. Her mom is a housewife and her father is a businessman. When you study introducing others, you are going to use two grammars. They are pronouns and simple present tense. But of course, this meeting, you are not going to learn more about this grammar. Pada tayangan berikutnya, akan ada tayangan dan penjelasan khusus tentang pronouns dan juga tentang simple present tense. Expression of introducing. Nah, ungkapan ini digunakan pada saat hendak memperkenalkan diri dan juga memperkenalkan orang lain, di mana ada kata pengantar. Contoh, let me introduce my friend to you. Allow me to introduce my friend. I'd like to introduce blah 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 to you. Or for example, I'd like to introduce Penina to you. Atau her name, or kalau dia laki-laki, his name is, she is or he is Penina, dan seterusnya. Penggunaan she, he, her, his itu masuk pada topik pronouns. Now we come to the example. how to introduce others using expression.
Allow me to introduce my friend. His name is Inigio Lam. He is from Jayapura. He is 16 years old. He studies at Vocational High School 3 Technology and Engineering Jayapura. He is the first grade student. His program of study is welding machine. His hobby is reading novel.
Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for using Dell channel OK to study introducing others. If you like this video, be sure subscribe. Don't forget to keep learning. And visit my website www.delianatonapa.com. Bye!